Hey guys, it's Mia here, and today I'm going to be doing a updated room tour for you guys, and I'm super excited about this video because I don't think I made a room tour video since 2017, and my room has changed a lot since then, so I'm super excited for this video, and it was also highly requested on TikTok. And before I get into this video, I just want to talk a little bit about the jewelry that I'm wearing. And right now I'm super obsessed with the jewelry from Luisa, and these were sent to me by them, so thank you so much to them. And for those of you who don't know, Luisa is a jewelry brand that sells really cute jewelry that are pretty high quality. And a really big plus about their brand is that they're carbon neutral, so 100% of the carbon emissions related to their product's life cycle are offset. The first earrings that I got from them are called Rachel, and these are really dainty drop hoop earrings with pearls at the end, and the pearls totally give off like the soft girl aesthetic vibe for me, and I think this will look really cute with a skirt and maybe some pearl hair clips. And then the other earring that I got from them are called Toda, and these are the ones that I'm wearing right now. And these are double hooped earrings that kind of give the illusion of the stacked look, which I'm super into. And what I really like about these are that it's not too flashy, so you can wear them for every day, and these are probably what I'm going to wear for school. And lastly, the chain necklace I'm wearing is also from them, and this is called the Atom Bold in Small. And I've been wanting a gold chain necklace for such a long time now because I think they look so good with tank tops or on top of sweaters. And that's just how I would style these. And a great thing about their website is that their pieces range from $39 to the really higher end pieces. So there's pretty much something there for everybody. And right now they're also having a Mother's Day sale going on where you can get 15% off their whole store. And I hope my mom isn't watching this video right now because Mother's Day is coming up and I'm actually planning to get her something from there. And I think it's going to be a really nice treat for her because she's usually the type that wouldn't really spend much money on herself. And I think they just have a lot of really nice, elegant, and timeless pieces of jewelry that I think would be a fantastic gift for mothers, someone you love, or even for yourself. And the last day to guarantee standard shipping before May 9th is May 5th in the United States and May 3rd everywhere else. So make sure you order before then to ensure your gift comes on time. And if you guys want to check out the link, I'll have it linked in the description down below where you can get 15% off. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So when you first enter my room, this is what you'll see, and the whole theme of my room kind of goes with the white and gold theme. So starting off with behind my door, I have these hooks that are from IKEA, and these just allow me to hang my jacket and bags. Then to the right, I have this wall grid decoration which I got from Umomo, and I added these IKEA string lights to them. And on the grid, I also have these baskets and shelves which I also got from Umomo, and I just keep skincare jars and plants on them as decorations. And then I also have a eucalyptus branch and some pictures that I cut out from my favorite flower magazine that belonged to my grandmother. Moving on to the right, I have these photo string lights that I got for like $5 from Target, and the photos that I have up there are actually really outdated. I think these were from when I was in high school, and I always meant to change them, but I just never got around to it. Next, I have my vanity, and the mirror that I have, I believe, is the Hemnes vanity, but I only have the mirror because I think my dad got this from the As Is section. And then the stool that I use is called the Marius, and I used to have the white version, but I took it with me to campus when I lived in a dorm and someone borrowed it and never gave it back, so I stole my sister's instead, and this is what I have in my room now. And as for my dressing table, I have the IKEA Malm, and there's a drawer that slides out and you can store all your makeup, but mine's way too messy, so I won't show you guys all of that. And on the left side of my dressing table, I have these acrylic organizers, which I use to keep the brushes and makeup that I use most often. And in one of the drawers, I keep my face makeup, then the middle one is for my eye makeup, and the last one is for my lip makeup. And also on it, I keep my favorite palettes, and as you guys can see, I'm a big fan of the Urban Decay Naked series. And then to the left of my mirror, I also keep my jewelry, and I keep my most used earrings and favorite clips on this dish that I got from Shein. And I keep my necklaces on this jewelry holder, which is from Forever 21. Then to the right, I have this gold basket that I got from Dollarama, and this just holds all the stuff that I use. And I know it's really messy looking, but I don't know how else to really store these products since I use them pretty frequently. Anyways, moving on to my favorite corner, I have a standing mirror, and this is where I usually take photos since it's right in front of a window, so there's usually good lighting. And what I like about this mirror is that there are also hooks in the back where you can actually store your bags and stuff behind it. And here is also where I hide my ring light. But beside the mirror, I have a fake palm tree, and both that and the gold pot are from IKEA. On the other side of my mirror, I have a gold mirrored side table, and I got this off someone else, so I don't really know where it's from. But I have a gold pot on it, and I'm calling it a gold pot, but it's actually a trash can that I spray painted gold. But I'm not here to expose myself like that today. Anyways, I have my favorite plant in there, and this is my beloved Monstera plant that I got over quarantine, and I'm super proud of it because it started to split recently. And then moving on to my closet, I have these sliding doors which are also from IKEA, and my closet is super messy, so I'm not going to show you guys too much of what's inside. And then beside my closet, I have this floor lamp, and this floor lamp is just a plain white floor lamp. And beside that, I have my bed, and my bed frame is called the Melm. And on my bed, I have these Christmas lights, but half of it died legit in the middle of me filming this video. And then behind my bed, I just DIY'd this sheer curtain, and I just thought my wall looked really plain without it, and I wanted something that reminded me of like a canopy. And then beside my bed, I have a side table, and on it I just keep these dried flowers that my boyfriend got me for our 1 year. And I also have this cinnamon roll eye mask that I got from Miniso because I have an obsession with cinnamon roll. And lastly, I just keep my glasses there as well. Then at the window beside my bed, I have these two succulents. I got the corgi planter as a gift from my cousins, and the hexagon planter I got from Amazon. Beside that window, I just have a collage of photos that I cut out from the same flower magazine that was shown earlier. And lastly, I just have my gaming setup, and this is basically where I am 99% of the time when I'm in my room, and that's also because I do my schoolwork here. And I already have a setup tour on my YouTube channel, so if you guys want to see what I have on there, you can go check out that video. And the only new addition I have is this floral cushion that I got at Umomo. So yeah, other than that, that's basically it for my room tour. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you click the link down below to get 15% off at Luisa if you guys are interested. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!